Alright, we were working on a rear differential on a Honda Pilot. This will probably apply to Ridgelines, MDXs, your Pilots, any of your four-wheel drive Hondas. But right up here, right there is your drain, your fill plug. Right down there is your drain plug, and all that takes is a 3/8 adapter. So I have a 3/8 extension onto a Harbor Freight 3/8 ratchet, and you want to break those loose. So my first job will be to get the fill plug loose, which is on top, because you don't want to drain the fluid and not be able to get your fill plug open. I don't think it's ever been done. There is markings on there. There's yellow markings like from the factory. You see them right there, right on top, 12 o'clock position. So I highly doubt that this has ever been done. They just bought this vehicle and they want to make sure everything's good to go. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Sometimes it's really hard to break these loose. I saw one video where a guy pulled off his tire, or his spare tire, because it's right behind the spare tire. I'm actually hitting it right up here. I think in some cases you don't need to do that. So I need to get in a better position to break this thing loose. Did it break loose? Yeah, it broke loose. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh man, that is tight right there. You know what, I'm gonna forget this extension and go straight here, because if you don't need to use the extension, you just lose leverage when you use the extension. So I got a smaller ratchet and a hammer, trying to break open the drain plug. Have your drain pan ready. You can just take a hammer and hit this thing. If I can get a good swing at this. All right, that wasn't that bad. So bring your drain pan in here, set up the drain pan. There's not a lot of debris on the magnet here, so that's a good sign. So just reaching my hands on the top, getting the fill plug out. You guys have washers up here. So the washer just fell down. You can see the washers right there. They are different sizes, so just remember, keep track of which one goes where. Looks like the top one, the top drain plug, is bigger than the bottom one. The top fill plug is bigger than the bottom drain plug. It's just an aluminum washer. Let's see if this one has it. Or did it stay on here? Yeah, it's there. It's right there. So just make sure you reinstall the plugs with the aluminum crush washers. So I'm going to let that drain for about an hour or so. Get all the stuff out. If you really want to get crazy, you could raise the front end of the vehicle up and help drain it out a little bit better than that. But yeah, you can see right there. There's your fill. There's your drain. Let me show you what kind of fluid you need to use. So the only fluid that Honda recommends that you use, and there is no substitute, you have to use this or problems could occur with your rear differential, is the Honda VTM-4 differential fluid. They only sell it in 1 gallon jugs. I've seen you can buy it online at Amazon.com. You can also check out HondaPartsUnlimited.com. They should have it there as well, but the only fluid that you want to use is the VTM-4. Let's see if there's a part number on it. Well, this could be a part number, 08200-9003. So yeah, just stay with your Honda OE fluids on this one. Don't try to use a substitute or go cheap, because you could damage or hurt your differential, and it costs a lot more to fix a differential than it does to pay 30 bucks for a gallon of fluid. All right, like I said, I'm gonna let that drain for about an hour and then we'll come back and fill it up. I don't think a lot of people know about Bundy's Garage on YouTube, so if you guys want to help me out, spread the word on your social media, or if you guys are visiting forums and you see that one of my videos answers somebody's questions, go ahead, post a link to my video, just copy and paste the URL address, and that'll really help me out, guys. It's been about 45 minutes that this has been draining, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it up. What I use to fill it up, I have this Matco. I don't call it a grease gun, it's more like a fluid transfer gun. You can pick these up from O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart, but it's just basically a big pump. One thing I wanted to tell you is always make sure that when you get this, or if you get it from the Honda dealership, make sure that this tinfoil seal is still in place. You don't want to buy one that's been opened, because you don't know what that fluid could be. So make sure that that seal is always there. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to collapse the rod, and I'm just going to put the end of the tube into the fluid, suck it out, and then transfer it into the differential. Just make sure that your bottom drain plug is in place and snug, and that the washer is in there as well. So not that difficult. And then you know that it's full once it starts to overfill a little bit and fluid starts to come out of the fill hole. You'll know that the differential is full. Okay, so just taking the gun, sticking it down into place. I can't do this with one hand, so I just stick it down into place, and then obviously just pull up on the handle, and then go over to the differential and fill it up on the top plug. Got the drain bolt here, drain plug, one with the magnet. Clean off the magnet, clean off the threads, make sure those are good. Make sure your washer is in place. Clean this off. Make sure that's clear of any dirt or grime or grease. Then go ahead, put this in, start this in by hand. Okay, that's started by hand. Now go ahead and I'm going to snug it up. Just going here on the underside of the differential, just clean up some of the differential fluid that's leaked down and dripping off the bottom. All I gotta do is just snug this up. You don't have to be He-Man or anything. Okay, that's snugged up. Bring your drain pan back in place. Bring your gun, stick it through the top fill plug. We're just start pumping in the fluid. And you'll know when it's full because the fluid will start coming out of the top where you're filling it at. Okay, there's one. But I won't bore you with the rest, so it's pretty easy. Like I said, this is on a Honda Pilot, but you'll find this on the MDXs, the Ridgelines, the Pilots, any of the Honda vehicles that have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive systems. The TL has it too, I believe, in the CL. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.